26, 2015. Nothing I can say or nothing I can photograph to prove my point more about this drought than the fact that I can cross this river so easily this should not even be physically possible. My question is, how low will this river go before the drought breaks?
Wilderness immersion photography. I set base camps for long periods of time in the wilderness and then work daily, loops, traveling the forest, telling the stories. Roosevelt elk are my guide. I follow their trails through miles through the mountains. I'm deeply concerned about the Olympic marmot. Snowpack is their igloo, and the water supply and the food for this summer is all based on that snowpack. I'm very concerned for the black bear and the berry crops, the amphibians, and the fisheries. These waters are warming and shallow. I've found scorched frog eggs, and over the years I've never seen anything quite as dry as this. These images that you're looking at now are all produced using my techniques and understanding of this wilderness. And I've lived for 3 months in 1999 where the forest fire is currently burning in the Queets, an unprecedented experience for the Olympic National Park.
Hello, my name is Bryant Carlin. I'm a wilderness immersion photographer. I'm speaking to you from the Olympic National Park. This evening is the last evening of a 9-day trek into the Bogoshiel Rainforest to ascertain the severity of the drought. The drought is severe. My plan in response to this is a 6-month in-depth documentation of the effects of this drought, alternating month by month between the Queets and the Bogoshiel Rainforest. To do this, I need to refurbish my gear, switch from film to digital photography, and have the means to resupply myself. This is why I'm approaching you for support for this project and very important endeavor. Thank you. Stop. It finally came together. It took me a while.